One of the first things we would do in the town is, as a group, after getting everybody housing and getting roads made and everything, is try to get a library made. Because what we want to do is try to promote publishing. We want to make it where anybody in town can come to the library, publish a book, and get it put on the shelf. And then also we want to make it where anybody in town can come to the library, use the machines, and pay just like at a regular library, like 25 cents per page or whatever, to print color pages and stuff, and then actually have like Brother machines. If you look up Brother T-shirt printer, you can get T-shirt printers, Xerox machines and stuff. We want to have that kind of stuff in the library for people to use, so they can be creating brochures and signs for their. They can turn their houses into stores by putting signs up. You know what I mean? By making banners and stuff. We want that to be available at the library, as well as publishing and art. We want people to be able to promote themselves through the public library, and once the library became a big enough center of people bringing their stuff there, we would want to create a society there of people that, like a club, like a library club, where people came in and actually worked on projects that the library would put into the community, and then eventually try to create like an intellectual society where people would just sit around and philosophize together, and then eventually try to create a university around that, where the library is part of the community and it is actually schooling everybody and teaching people about the world. And we don't want it to just be the traditional education system, because right now it's a curriculum and everybody tries to fit the curriculum, and then you don't really learn anything, and all the smart kids are being pushed down with the stupid kids, and all the stupid kids are they're falling behind because they're not keeping up with the regular pace, and it's not right. What needs to happen is, it's not going to be a school based on your age. It's going to be based on what you're doing. It's you will or will not, I guess it's not no grades and stuff. It won't be like first, second, third, fifth, sixth grade. It's not going to be a progression. It's just you go to school, and then when you're done, you're done. You go into society and you have your job and stuff instead. And so what the school would do is it would educate the children by taking them to town hall, by taking them around the town and teaching them about things, and then taking them outside of town and teaching them how other places work. And then also, we would want them to utilize things like AdSense and other online ad programs, so they could go and use also forums and stuff, so they could talk to other students and other schools and start projects with them and earn money on those projects by filming them, documenting them, taking pictures of them, and allowing the kids to use the phones and the cameras that they have already and that they want to bring into school, and using those things to make money for projects for school, because that's what they should be doing anyway. Everybody has these things. Why not use them for something good? So this would take a little time to get everything working, but it would start as a library, and eventually we would have a school in town, and we'd be educating the children in a way that would actually teach them how society works and get them ready for the world, instead of saying, here's this and here's that, here's that. We would have math teachers and stuff to teach them stuff, but they wouldn't be just like every day they're just learning math and literature and this and that and that. They're not just having those classes, they are actually learning about the world every day. So they're actually learning what they're going to be doing when they get out of school. They're going to be learning about the political system and how they operate, and how they will be part of this planet. They won't just be learning about, well, here's some book some guy wrote and we think he's really smart, so you should read the book, and then like that's it. You know what I mean? Like like the curriculums are just based off, like in Texas it's all McGraw-Hill. That's it. Like 6 people sit around and write these textbooks, and everybody reads those and they're considered educated. I don't believe that is an education system. It needs to change. But that's how we would try to implement that. We would try to teach the kids by making school a life teaching thing.